Hi everyone, I'm Kaylee Fonsbeck, and this is my website. My website is called Marathon of the Motorsports, and basically what my website was designed for was to gain money to help develop motorsport trails in the mountains of eastern Idaho. And so on this website, it shows the routes of the courses, and there's a half marathon, a 10K, and a 5K. And then here's where the people would be able to register for each of those sections, as well as the sponsor section. And then a countdown to where to when that day is, and then a disclaimer at the very bottom. So the biggest thing that I really wanted in my website is I wanted it to be simple and not too fancy. I felt like that would appeal to my target audience the most. And something else is I really think complementary colors make a website just pop. So like with the blue and orange, I felt like that was a huge eye catcher here. For me, the most difficult part was just trying to figure out how to make different things work. Like for this top menu, I tried to do it in Divi, and then I ended up just going into some of the WordPress settings, and I was able to find some settings in there to create this top menu. Also, my other big struggle was trying to make things match up between the full-size view and the mobile view. It definitely took a lot of practice, but I finally got there. But the biggest thing I learned is just how much I can do on Divi and get things set in a really good format. And then I can use the coding to do some smaller tweaks. And I don't have to worry about doing a lot of coding if I take the time and really get things sorted out on the Divi. This class was really good for me. I almost quit the first week, but I'm glad I stuck with it, and I'm really proud of how this website turned out. Thanks for a great semester.